the plates because they're dirty. So how do they get dirty? Whether you're cooking something, it gets dirty. Jadasim wapas jana helpa.
What?
Jadasim go to hell.
Oh, you mean germs are going to be killed? Jarasim will be?
Gone forever with lemon max.
Okay.
Hey, that's mine. It's not that dirty, that's easy.
Yay!
This is way too easy. It's not that dirty. Wait, why is it? I need to put more lemon max. I'm putting a lot of lemon max.
Maybe enough.
Killed.
Okay, Fatik, Mama has an idea.
What?
The idea is in this warm water you can soak it so that it's more smoother.
I put a lot of foam.
Yeah. Dip it in the warm water, Fatik. Then you will feel the difference.
Okay.
It will soften. Dip it.
Wait, this way or this way? We have to drop it.
Yeah. Both are applicable. Hurry up.
Wait. If the bottom side is hot. Oh, it's too hot. It's way too hot. Oh. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया. Ah! It's like.
You forgot to put this on.
Oh. Wait. Going. One plate is cleaned. Another plate. Wow, this is a lot of cleaning. I put this on the sides. Wait, the next dish requires more. If we clean more, the more, if we put more, then it will be more cleaner.
Yeah, but we can't waste, right?
Right?
There is enough. There is enough foam, Fatik. Be careful.
It's not enough. We're about to make the cleanest dish.
You have to dip this whole stuff in that water so that it will be useful for the whole dishes all together. If you put it on this spatula, it will be getting wasted. And if you put in this clean water, it will be useful for the whole lot.
Wait, should I put it? Wait, but there's a liquid.
Yeah. Put it inside. Soak it. The other way.
Wait, but it's hot.
It's not that much hot. I can do that. Now it's enough for the whole. It's enough for the whole lot.
Oh,
Fatik, while washing the dishes while doing it, can you please tell the viewers something useful? Any tips or tricks or hacks?
yes.
What?
The tricks are simple. Can anyone clean this up? Wait, I forgot to clean this. I will clean all the dishes. Wait, what should we clean? This looks kind of dirty.
Yeah. Fatik, can you please read some poem
No.
or any song? Can you
Clean
sing?
the dishes.
Can we compose some new music?
Clean the dishes. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Clean the dishes. Na na na. Na na na. Sorry, viewers. It's a clean burden. Now we just need to put this.
What you said? What you said?
We need a clean burden.
Burtan. Right.
That's a one. Another clean Burtons. How many Burtons? Not good, not good. Definitely need soap. ये तो ठंडा पानी है मोय मोय